Good morning, all of you. I am Hukum Chand Toshwal from the Mechanical Engineering Department. Today, in this lecture, we will be discuss about the material science, and the topic is iron-carbon equilibrium diagram. First of all, introduction. What is iron-carbon equilibrium diagram? Iron-carbon equilibrium diagram is also known as iron-carbon phase diagram. Iron-carbon phase diagram describes the iron-carbon system of alloys containing up to 6.67% of carbon. Disclose the phases, compositions and their transformation occurring with the alloys during their cooling or heating. Carbon content 6.67% correspond to the fixed composition of the iron carbide Fe3C. The diagram is shown in figure. The iron carbon diagram is shown in figure. In this figure, x-axis show the carbon percentage and the y-axis show the temperature, and the different phases is also shown in this diagram. The following phases involved in the transformation occurring with iron carbon alloys. First of all, L, liquid solution of carbon in iron. Then second is alpha ferrite, solid solution of carbon in iron. Maximum concentration of carbon in delta ferrite is 0.09% at 2719 degree Fahrenheit and 1493 degree centigrade temperature of the peritectic transformation. The crystal structure of delta ferrite is BCC, body center cubic. And next is austenite, illustrate solid solution of carbon in gamma iron. Austenite has face center cubic crystal structure permitting high solubility of carbon up to 2.06% at 2097 degree Fahrenheit. Austenite does not exit below 1333 degree Fahrenheit, and maximum carbon concentration at this temperature is 0.83%. Alpha ferrite, solid solution of carbon in alpha iron. Alpha ferrite has BCC crystal structure and low solubility of carbon up to 0.25% at 1333 degree Fahrenheit. Alpha ferrite exists at room temperature. Then next is cementite, iron carbide intermetallic compound having fixed composition Fe3C. Cementite is a hard and brittle substance influencing on the properties of steel and cast iron. The following phase transformation occur with iron carbon alloys. Alloys containing up to 0.51% of carbon start solidification with formation of crystals of delta ferrite. And next, carbon content in delta ferrite increase up to 0.9% in coarse solidification and at 2719 degree Fahrenheit. Remaining liquid phases and delta ferrite perform peritectic transformation resulting in formation of austenite. Alloys containing carbon more than 0.51% but less than 2.06% from primary austenite crystals in the beginning of solidification, and when the temperature reaches the curve ACM primary, cementite starts to form iron carbon alloys containing up to 2.06% of carbon are called steels. alloy containing from 2.06 to 6.67% of carbon experience aquatic transformation at 2097 degree Fahrenheit. The aesthetic concentration of carbon is 4.3%. In practice, only hypothetic alloys are used. These alloys carbon content from 2.06% to 4.3% are called cast iron. When temperature of an alloy from this range reaches 2097 degree Fahrenheit, it containing primary austenite crystals and some amount of liquid phases. The latter decomposes by austenite mechanism to a fine mixture of austenite and cementite are called labradorite. All iron carbon alloys experiences octoctide transformation at 1333 degree Fahrenheit. The octoctide concentration of carbon is 0.83%. When the temperature of an alloy reaches 1330 degree Fahrenheit, austenite transform to perlite, fine ferrite cementite structure forming as a result of decomposition of austenite at slow cooling condition. Critical temperature. Upper critical temperature point A is the temperature below which ferrite start to form as a result of ejection from austenite in the hypooctoid alloys. Upper critical temperature point A is the temperature below which cementite start to form as a result of ejection from austenite in the hypooctoid alloys. Lower critical temperature point A is the temperature of the austenite to perlite octoid transformation. Below this temperature, austenite does not exist. Magnetic transformation temperature is the temperature below which alpha ferrite is for magnetic phase composition of the iron carbon alloy at room temperature. Hypooctoid steel carbon content from 0 to 0.83% consists of primary octoid ferrite according to the curve A3 and perlite. Octoid steel carbon content 0.83% entirely consists of perlite. Hypooctoid steel carbon content from 0.83 to 2.06% consists of primary octoid cementite according to the curve ACM and perlite. Cast iron carbon content from 2.06% to 4.3% consists of pretoctoid cementite C2 ejected from the austenite according to the curve ACM. Perlite and transform labradorite in which austenite transform to perlite. Thanks for watching.